Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the profile picture or profile banner on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Discord on your PC and you can see your user profile over here. Just tap on it, and if you want to change your profile picture or edit your profile, you can click on Edit Profile, which is over here. To change your profile picture, just go ahead and click on this edit button and click on Change Avatar. You can now choose from GIF, but make sure that you have a Nitro version of Discord, otherwise you cannot select this. Or else you can just go ahead and click Upload Image, which is over here. Go to the Downloads folder or any folder which you have the photo. Go ahead and select the photo over here and click Apply. After that, your profile picture will be changed. Now to change the profile effect or banner, you can see that you can change the decoration, but make sure that you have a Nitro version as well, because this will not work if you don't have it. So make sure you buy it. And for the profile effect or banner, click on Change Effect under the profile effect, and if you can select this, you can see that the effects will be shown and the profile banner will be changed as well. And if you want to change the color of the banner, you can see that there is the edit button over here. You can select which type of banner you want. After you select your desirable banner, you can see that it will change over here as well. So if you want to unlock a banner, you can subscribe it and you can add your own banner as well. I hope this video about how you can change your profile picture and profile banner on Discord was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.